Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to send Brave search results to Google Sheets with n8n. First, open the n8n and start a new workflow in the editor. Then click on the plus icon to add a first step. In the left panel, use the search bar to search for Brave. Click on Brave Search and it'll show you various options. Now, make sure that Brave Search is installed. Scroll down and click on Search the Web under Actions. Next, you need to fill up these options and go back. Here, click on the plus icon next to the Brave Search and it'll show you different options on the right panel. After that, search for Google Sheets by using the search bar. Click on it and it'll give you various options. Then select the Clear Sheets and click Create New Credential. It may include the grant type, auth URL query parameters, and the authentications you need to add. After that, click Save to this information. Lastly, add all the required information including resources, operations, documents, and sheets. Once completed, proceed to click Execute step and send Brave search results to Google Sheets with n8n. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.